Woo! Man, that gets you like alert. It hits you in your head and just, woo! You're ready to go. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Vital X Park smelling salts. Now, these are absolutely amazing. This bottle lasts up to 24 months. This is going to be 2 years worth of smelling salts where it's going to stay completely fresh while you're using this. Now, I've been using this for a couple days now, and man, oh man, does it work. When you smell this, it gives you a kick really, really quick and wakes you up, wakes your mind up. And honestly, it's better than coffee because you don't have the caffeine, you don't have the jitters like from energy drinks. You also don't have to consume anything at all. So you just wave this under your nose about 10 to 15 centimeters away. It's just gonna wake you up. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate this. Woo! Man, that gets you. I mean, you want to sniff slowly for a couple seconds, like 2 to 3 seconds, and you can do this up to 2 times in a row. Man, that gets you like alert. It hits you in your head and just, woo! You're ready to go. This stuff's gonna be perfect for athletes, if you're playing hockey, if you're doing weightlifting. Just before you're about to set your new PR in the gym, take a little whiff of this, or you have like a race that you're gonna do, an event, you got sports you're doing in the morning, you just wanna wake up and get a kick. This stuff is actually amazing. This is the first time I've used any smelling salts, and I am loving this. It's got great reviews and it is truly a great product. I highly recommend this. Go and check it out for yourself. Add this to your Amazon cart. Start using this. I know you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.